Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Today tutorial is about eyebrow. I'm using my spoolie brush to brush my eyebrow into place. Then I'm using my Anastasia pencil to draw a line underneath my brow. I'm using my natural brows. I'm not adding any strokes. Just use your natural eyebrow shape for beginner. Yes, now I'm just filling it with lighter strokes. Yeah. As you can see at the beginning of my brow, I'm not using the pencil there. I'll I'll later on use my spoolie brush to do that. Yes. Now I'm going back into my spoolie brush to brush that place. I mean the excess pencil I have on the spoolie, I will just extend it at the beginning of my eyebrow. Yes. Now I'm going into my concealer, my pencil, my brush. The brush I'm using for today is an angle brush, a small angle brush. And my concealer for today is Golden Rose palette and LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Fawn. I'm using the Fawn underneath my eyebrow because it's a little lighter than my actual color, my actual skin tone. So I'm just cleaning my eyebrow gently as I can. Yes. So in doing this, sometimes you just find yourself messing around. Maybe you find some concealer in your natural brow by mistakenly you see some concealer in there. No problem, you can always go back into your eyebrow pencil to correct that out. Yes. So I'm using the other color for my upper part, the upper part of my eyebrow. Yes. Which is Golden Rose, the darker shade in that palette. The same thing applies. I'm just going in with some lighter strokes, as gentle as I can. That's the easiest way I use my concealer brush. Yes, I just bend it. Some people use it the other way around, but I find it easier to use it this way. So it's up to you to know which technique to use your brush. Yes. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up. I'm using my fluffy brush to brush the excess concealer on my eyelid. Yes. Okay, that's it. I went ahead and did the other eyebrow off camera. That's it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below what you want to see next on my channel. Thanks a lot. Bye.